In this video, I will show you how to import an animated object from any software. So you are in Maya, Blender, you have your animated object. First step, you have to export it as a FBX. Okay, so after you drag and drop your FBX here in your assets, and let's take a look. So here we have all the different elements of my FBX. We have also, as you can see, a node here with a triangle with some movement. So it means this is an animation. So the animation saved in your FBX. I can also watch it here. Okay. So everything is perfect. It's what I want. So I will drag and drop this character here. So here there is vibration you see of the ground. Why? It's typically when you have two faces at the same position. So here we have the plane of my environment and the plane from this asset, which are at the same position. So the software will display for one frame the big plane and for other frames the small plane. So this one I don't need it, I will just turn it off. Okay, so my character is here, and let's play it. So it will take a few seconds the first time. And as you can see, it doesn't play. So this is normal. It's because if you remember the lesson about the FBX, when you have a FBX file, by default, it will import only the geometry. If you want to import more things, you have to select it and here decide what else you want to import. In the lesson about the introduction to shader and about the import FBX, for example, we had the material. Do we want to import the material? Do we want to import the texture? Okay. For the animation, this is the same thing. Okay. It don't import it by default. So how to apply this animation to the character? Actually, this is very simple. I will just drag and drop this node, okay, to my Noble Craftsman. Okay, and then if I click on it now, you see we have this node animator with the controller Noble Craftsman. And now if I play, it play my animation. Okay, so the thing is he will play it only one time because this is a short animation. So what I can do, I can take a look to this animation. Okay, so this is what we have, and you see it's only 45 frames. Okay, so how to loop it? Actually, you just need to go in the option of this file here and click on loop time, but I didn't import it this one. So what I will do, I will click on edit and it will edit my FBX file. So it's exactly like if I was clicking on my FBX file, I go to animation and here I will be able to change the parameter of my FBX and I will click on loop time and apply. Okay, don't forget apply. So now the FBX itself has a loop. Okay, so let's try to play again now. So of course, if I modify this FBX, it modifies the character here because they are linked. Huh? This is a system of prefab. Okay, so it works. That's all. So if you had to do some modification of your animation, my advice is do it in your DCC software where you created your animation first, and after you just replace this file by the new one. Okay, so you just update it. You will just drag and drop from your DCC here and you will write over. Okay, just in case if you want to modify the animation in Unity. So this animation, the problem is this animation is embedded in my FBX file. So I cannot modify it. You know, it's like the same with a shader. So in this case, I will have to export it. But the best is I will keep this one like that. I will just do a Control D. When I do Control D, it creates a new animation node and actually animation file. You see the file is here, text001.anim. So I can change the name, of course, and this one I can edit it. Okay, so this one, if I go to animation, I have the control. I can edit all the keys that I want. Okay, move them, no problem. Of course, what I need to do is to assign it to the Noble Craftsman. Okay, so here I will drag and drop that to the Noble Craftsman. And this one, I can edit it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.